Nothing says spring quite like cherry blossoms, and luckily, there's no shortage of them in Berlin. I did not expect that Berlin really burst with blossoms. You just need to know where to look. Lilienthalpark in Lichterfelde, Berlin is a public park renowned for the Fliegeberg, a hill constructed by aviation pioneer Otto Lilienthal in 1894 for his flight experiments. The dream of flying led Berlin's Otto Lilienthal to become one of the greatest pioneers of aviation. Lilienthal built flying machines which enabled him to take to the air and fulfill his dream. Coming this far out of the city center is worth it if you want somewhere to see cherry blossoms in Berlin with a bit more space. Taking bus number 284 from Lichterfelde Ost S-Bahnhof will take you 7 minutes to the park. The park features terraced landscapes and a monument dedicated to Lilienthal's contributions to aviation. It is a tranquil, underrated gem in Berlin, famous for its breathtaking, soft pink cherry blossoms in spring. Similar to Japan's sakura season, the park is filled with many sakura trees that create a magical atmosphere. The place is magical during spring and people-friendly. The park offers a quiet, scenic landscape with a central pond that reflects the cherry blossoms, making it a popular spot for photography and relaxation. It features a playground and a great open space for kids to play. The Fliegeberg offers panoramic views of the surrounding area and is a favored spot for joggers, with its numerous steps providing a challenging workout. The park also includes a small pond and well-maintained walking paths, making it a serene retreat for both locals and visitors. Though its name brings lilies to mind, springtime brings a different kind of blossom to this park in Lichterfelde. Go for a stroll in Lilienthalpark to see thousands of pink petals pop against the bright blue sky. I hope that this video will help you appreciate the place even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!